Okay, I'm just going to go through how you play the verse first of all. So if you remember, you start on a G and the melody goes like this. With this bit, make sure you go up to a high D, so second little bit you go from the E up to the high D and then you finish on the lower D, so it goes like this. Okay, the chorus, you start with 3 Gs, so the same note you started the verse on, so you've got G, 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 then the squiggly things are 2 rests, so you go rest, rest. Okay, and you're going up to that high D there. Then you've got 3 Gs again. Rest, rest. Then you've got G, F sharp, G, G, D, okay? The F sharp is this key here down from the G, so it goes like this. G, 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 rest, rest.